How to make slow motion video on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. Then click on plus button at the bottom, which will open your camera. Then at the bottom, make sure it's 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 10 minutes because it is not available in photo section. Then on the right side, click on 1x. After you click on 1x, you will find these options pop up. For slow motion, it's 0.5x and 0.3x. Click on any of them, which is 0.5 and 0.3. After you've done that, record your video as usual. After you're done, it will automatically be slow motion video. This is how to make slow motion video on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.